Good morning. It is 6:50 and we are about to walk into the gym, doing a very quick workout before my hair girl gets here. We have a little bit of a later start today for our photo shoot. Normally we are filming by 9, but we're actually starting around 10 today. So have a little bit of a morning routine to do, which I am excited, but we've got a big day ahead. Okay, workout is done. Didn't get to film a ton because it is super busy this morning at the gym, but I did a 25-minute abs and arms weighted Pilates, and then I did a 5-minute lower core. It is now 8 a.m. and I'm headed home to wash my hair because my gal is gonna be here to blow dry it for the shoot. We do have a pretty quick turnaround, so I'm gonna need to pack all of my looks. My team was here over at my house yesterday and we already packed up most of props and all those things, but on my plate is packing up outfits and then getting everything ready for the shoot, and then we will be good to go. We are all showered up and got a face mask on. I look a little crazy, but it will all pay off later. And now it's time for hair. Alrighty, hair is done. Glam Squad killed it again. And now I gotta load up the car and head to shoot. Okay, we're here now, ready to shoot. I did my makeup in the car, hopefully it's okay. I normally don't do that, but we did it today because we were making it work. And we're really excited.
Trev?
Super stoked.
So we have all of this prepped. Focus here too.
I didn't realize there are actually dark on here.
You have the camera.
Yeah, the dog bowl is right there if you want to grab the water.
Yeah. We're gonna shoot.
Hey!
Good for me.
So yeah, we'll go over to place. We got some good ones here. It's my personal favorite so far. Super hot. Yes, I know. You're right.
Yep.
Okay, good. I thought so. This is how we work. We're literally discussing a brand deal. Kat's answering the emails.
Literally. As we are on set shooting.
Negotiating. It's always a multitask. We need an opening clip, and then we need
Trev?
the morning supplement routine.
Yeah.
So that could be like with my coffee, I could be wearing like PJs kind of thing.
Yep.
Yep.
And then mid.
This is Irving.
Hi. Hi, I'm Irving. That's it. That's all I got.
It's Irving. It's Irving. Shoot is wrapped. No, not wrapped. Day one is wrapped. We shot 17 recipes, which was just a half day. I feel like that's pretty good.
I think it's
on a full day, if we do double that, that's like 35.
We get even more. There's a lot of cooking.
Yeah, we did the hard recipes today was our strategy. I had to immediately jump on a live call, and now I'm making the list of the things at 6:45. I'm making the list of things I need to go home and do, and then be back here in like 12 hours. But yeah, we got some stuff moving and grooving, and it is crazy. All right, we are logging out for today, but I will be back tomorrow and take you through another full day of shooting on set with Michael. Good morning. It is day 2, and I am actually headed to a tremble class right now. Funny enough, I've just prioritized my workout, my movement, my well-being for this photo shoot, which in the past, I've always just woken up, headed straight to shoot, and then the first day I'm feeling good, but by the end of like 3 days with no workout, no, you know, prioritizing all the things that I would do normally in my routine to feel my best, I feel so depleted. And so this photo shoot, I've actually prioritized fitting in workouts, even though sometimes that means shooting a little bit later. So class is at 7:30. It is 6:58 right now, and I will be class for 50 minutes. It's really close to the shooting location, and then I will be back to shoot. So I think we're gonna be good. I'm excited. Day 2 is all recipes. So yesterday we did a bit of lifestyle, half-day recipes. Today is literally game time, all recipes. And then day 3 is our community shoot, and then viral style content that we want to do for Instagram to promote what's coming. We have 2 new programs and something else. So excited. I'm at the Airbnb that we're shooting in, and I just quickly showered, and now I'm doing my makeup. I always do my own makeup for shoots. I just like it to look like me and natural. And we're gonna get this day going.
Hi, day 2 on set. Wait, look at this cutie little thing I'm putting on from 437. I'm obsessed. We wore the blue yesterday and we're wearing the pink today. Woo! I look crazy, but just need the energy flow. We have blood going. I'm gonna change.
Okay, we are at day 3 and we are doing our community shoot. Oh my God, the girls are behind us. Look at how cute they are. We're all here and we're picking our favorite new recipes from Mindful. Ah. We are officially wrapped. We shot all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday, and now all day Thursday with a community shoot this morning, and then content for reels and social all afternoon. And literally we are finally wrapping. I have never been so happy to get off this makeup of 3 days just layered on, so I can't. It actually feels so good. Wait, this look is cute. She realized.